would you like to go grab Richard and McLean? Judge, we're gonna go get Richard here.
Okay, great, thank you.
Yep.
See her.
She's not. She opted for that.
Hmm. Yeah.
Judge, it should be in here momentarily. We're gonna come back to the podium. Judge, we're all here.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, we'll go on the record in People versus Mallory Stefan. This is Crawford County case number 245348. If I could have counsel put your appearances on.
Sierra Coke on behalf of the people.
Thank you, Your Honor. Richard Trush appearing on behalf of Ms. Stefan.
All right, and record should reflect Ms. Stefan is present there in the courtroom in Crawford County. I'm connected by Zoom, as is Ms. Koch. Mr. Trush is live with his client at the courtroom in Crawford County. Mr. Trush, my understanding is that Ms. Stefan wishes to enter a no contest plea today. Is that correct?
I do believe that that is what we are going to do today.
Okay, can you tell me what the terms of that agreement are?
So the terms of the agreement would be that count one, the assaulting a corrections officer charge, would be dismissed. Count two would be amended from resisting and obstructing a police officer to attempted resisting and obstructing a police officer, reducing it from a 2-year offense to a 1-year offense. Count three would stay as charged, and count four, the escape from lawful custody, would be dismissed.
Ms. Koch, is that a correct statement of the plea offer?
It is.
Ms. Stefan, can you hear me okay?
Yes.
Have you had an opportunity to talk to Mr. Trush about this plea agreement? Have you had a chance to talk to your lawyer about this plea agreement, Ms. Stefan?
Sort of.
Do you need more time to do that, or are you ready to proceed today?
Can I have more time to do that?
How much time do you need? Hello?
I'm not sure.
Well, Ms. Stefan, I know this is kind of a pattern with you. You like to do this and indicate that you're gonna go forward with something and then say you're not sure and you don't know. So I'm not gonna play games with you here today. I'm not gonna waste my time. I'm a busy person. So if you want to enter into this plea today, we'll do it. If not, we're gonna go forward with your trial on Thursday. So you need to decide that right now. What do you want to do?
I don't know.
That's not an answer. You either need to say you'd like to proceed with your trial, or you need to say you want to enter into a plea today. I don't know. It's not an acceptable answer.
Your Honor, can we have 5 minutes to talk?
Yes. We'll go off the record and Ms. Koch, if you could just remain on the line, please. Thank you.
I will, and for the record, the plea offer will be revoked after today's hearing. It was made in September. It's been pending for 9 months. Thank you.
Well, I want you to say that again when Ms. Stefan is there. I don't know if she heard that, so.
Okay, thank you.
Judge, I can go advise them.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep. Judge, if you're still on, I did let Mr. Trush know and his client that plea offer is going to be revoked after today.
Okay, great, thank you.
Yep.
This is Mike McDonald. He does probation and parole for the felonies. This is Tanika. She's one of the court-appointed attorneys. But you're misdemeanor. Are you on the family? No, just business misdemeanors. Okay.
Not as good as I figured it would.
Yep.
I should have stuck with my normal 40%. That was a little optimistic. I said 50.
I was going 7:30.
This is about 50-50.
Hey, Sarah, I just want to let you guys know that you're audible. So,
Thanks, Judge.
okay, Ms. Koch, if you can rejoin us, please.
I'm here, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Trush, how are we going to proceed?
Your Honor, I believe she intends to take that offer, but again, I'll ask the court to directly inquire of her.
Okay, Ms. Stefan, are you going to proceed with the plea today?
Yes,
Can you raise your right hand, please? You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
yes,
Thank you. You can lower your hand. Ms. Stefan, are you currently on any kind of probation or parole?
no,
You understand that by pleading no contest to attempted resisting or obstructing a police officer, the maximum penalty you could face would be up to 1 year in jail. Do you understand that?
no.
What don't you understand about that?
Can you repeat that?
Yes, the maximum possible penalty for the charge of resisting or obstructing as an attempt is up to 1 year in jail. You understand that?
Yes,
The maximum possible penalty that you could face for domestic violence as a second offense is also up to 1 year in jail. Do you understand that?
yes,
With those maximum possible penalties in mind, what is your plea today? Are you pleading no contest to those two charges today?
does that mean I'm pleading guilty?
Well, my understanding is the plea agreement is that you're going to plead no contest.
So Mallory, we discussed the difference between a guilty plea and a no contest plea. In a no contest plea, the judge would review the police report to form a factual basis. In a guilty plea, you would tell the judge under oath what occurred on that night that would make you think you were guilty of the offense. You understand the difference?
Yes.
So the judge is asking,
Yeah, go ahead, Mr. Trush.
are you pleading no contest to the charge today?
Okay.
Okay is not an answer. Yes or no?
Yes.
I'm sorry, what's that? Yes or no, Ms. Stefan?
I said yes, it's fine.
All right, I'm going to go through your rights with you. You have the right to have a trial. You have the right to be tried by a jury. You have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty. You have the right to have the prosecutor prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty. You have the right to have any witnesses against you appear at trial and to question those witnesses. You have the right to have the court order any witnesses on your behalf appear at trial. You have the right to remain silent during a trial and the right to not have that silence used against you, and the right to testify at a trial yourself if you want it. You understand all those rights?
Okay.
Again, that's not an answer. Do you understand them or not?
Most of them.
Which ones don't you understand?
Can you repeat the last couple of them, please?
I'll repeat them all for you. You have the right to have a trial. You have the right to be tried by a jury. You have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty. You have the right to have the prosecutor prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty. You have the right to have any witnesses against you appear at trial and to question those witnesses. You have the right to have the court order any witnesses on your behalf appear at trial. You have the right to remain silent during a trial and to not have that silence used against you. And the right to testify at a trial yourself if you want it.
I want a trial.
So you're not going to plead no contest today?
Is the no contest the same as pleading guilty? Or is it just
No,
taking the plea?
It's not the same, and your attorney just explained to you what the difference is.
Okay.
So are you going to move forward with this plea today or not? Ms. Stefan, are you going to go forward with this plea today or not? Yes or no? I don't care which it is. Doesn't matter to me. I just need some answers from you. That's all. One way or the other. We have a trial scheduled and ready to go on Thursday if you want to have your trial.
I'm just confused, that's all.
Okay, so I don't believe you when you say you're confused. You've had many, many months and numerous court hearings where all of this has been explained to you. I know that Mr. Trush has fully explained everything to you today as well. So I just don't believe that you're confused or you you don't know what's going on, you need to make a decision now. And again, I don't care. We have your trial date all set. We're all ready to go on Thursday. More than happy to do that. But if you're gonna enter a plea today, then that needs to happen right now.
Okay, fine, yes.
Okay. Do you understand all those rights that I've listed for you?
Yep.
And you understand that you're giving up and waiving all of those rights by pleading no contest? You understand that?
I can't be in here.
Do you understand that you're giving up all those rights by pleading no contest?
Yes.
Has anybody threatened you with anything to get you to plead no contest? Has anybody threatened you with anything to get you to plead no contest? I'm going to ask one more time, Mrs. Stefan, and then that's it. I'm going to end this hearing and we'll proceed on Thursday. Has anybody threatened you with anything to get you to plead no contest?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than what we've said here in court today?
No.
Is it your own free choice to enter this plea? Is it your own free choice to enter this plea?
Okay.
Yes, it is. Or no, it's not. Ms. Stefan, is it your own free choice to enter this plea today? Yes or no? Okay, I'm gonna ask you one final time. Is it your own free choice to enter this plea? Yes or no?
Okay.
Again, okay is not an answer. Yes or no? Yes or no, Ms. Stefan?
I guess so, yeah.
Sarah, did she say, I guess so, yes?
She said, I guess so, yeah.
All right, okay,
Not yes, but guess so, yeah.
all right. Mr. Trush, have you reviewed the Crawford County Sheriff's Department report number 241200107
I have, Your Honor, and I went over that with Ms. Stefan before the hearing today.
All right, and Mr. Trush, would you agree that that police report and the information contained within that, specifically pages 3 of 4, well, actually, yeah, 3 of 4 and 4 of 4, that the information would provide a factual basis for finding of guilt as to the count 3 and the added count 5 of attempted resisting obstruction?
Yeah, Your Honor, Ms. Stefan has,
I know, I need time to think about that, so.
Ms. Stefan has just indicated to me she does not want to take this plea deal.
Okay. All right, so Ms. Stefan, we're gonna proceed with your trial on Thursday. You need to be present in the courtroom by 8:30 on Thursday morning. You need to communicate with your lawyer between now and then so that Mr. Trush can be fully prepared to go forward with your case. I think we probably already covered this at a prior hearing, but Ms. Coe, you have already submitted jury instructions, is that correct?
That is correct. We are prepared. We have all of our witnesses served and ready to go. People are ready to proceed. Thank you.
All right, and Mr. Trush, have you submitted any of your proposed instructions or any objections to the prosecutors?
I believe that we did submit, I think we submitted them prior to the prior trial date, which I think got adjourned. I would indicate, I have prepared a self-defense instruction. I didn't submit it because I don't know if it will become relevant or not, and it likely will turn on if Ms. Stefan testifies and what that testimony looks like. But I prepared multiple copies of it in case it does become relevant.
Okay, all right, very good. And just for the record, because I don't know if we caught it before, but Ms. Koch, you're withdrawing the plea offer, is that correct?
I am withdrawing the plea offer today. We will proceed to trial on all of the felony charges. Thank you.
Okay, so Ms. Stefan, this is your last chance. Once we go off the record here, there will be no more plea agreements. Even if the prosecutor offered it, I wouldn't accept it after this. So is that your decision?
Can you repeat the question, please?
Just asking for a final decision from you as to whether you want to go to trial or whether you want to accept this offer today. This is going to be your last opportunity.
Okay,
I don't know what okay means. Do you want to go through with the plea or not?
I really need a few
Yes
minutes.
or no? No more minutes. You've had months and months and months to make a decision on this. Another 5 minutes isn't going to change anything.
Okay, let's,
I couldn't hear you. What?
yes,
Yes, what? You want to go forward with the plea or you want to go to trial?
All right, it's fine.
When you say it's fine, do
I,
you mean that you want to proceed with the plea or you want to proceed with the trial?
I'll keep going with it today.
Do you want to enter into this plea agreement, yes or no?
Yeah, yes.
All right. So again, I think we were going through the factual basis, Mr. Trush. Would you agree that the information I've identified would provide a factual basis?
I do, Your Honor.
Ms. Koch, have you reviewed that police report that I've identified for the record?
Yes,
Would you agree that it provides a factual basis? Charges?
I don't get to tell my side.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I didn't hear that question.
That was directed at Ms. Koch. I'm just establishing whether she's satisfied with the factual basis based on the information contained in the report.
yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Koch, are the people aware of any threats, promises, or inducements other than what's been placed on the record today?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Trush?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Koch, are the people satisfied that the court has complied with statute and court rule in taking in this no contest plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Trush?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Stefan, the court finds that your plea is knowing and voluntary. I'm going to mark that police report that I've identified as Court Exhibit 1 and admit that to the file as the factual basis. I've reviewed the information. I find that it does provide a factual basis to support a finding that you are guilty of each of these charges. The court will accept the no contest plea. The court will set this matter for a sentencing hearing in about 30 days. In the meantime, Ms. Stefan, you're going to meet with Mr. McFalda, I believe, today before you leave the courtroom to set up a time for a pre-sentence report. Then it's important that you stay in touch with your attorney prior to that sentencing date. You'll have an opportunity to go through the pre-sentence report with him. In light of the plea, the court will adjourn the trial set for Thursday.
You're
Ms. Koch, anything further from your side today?
No, Your Honor. We will call off our witnesses for the trial. Thank you.
Mr. Trush?
never mind. Go on.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. That's all for this hearing today. All sides are free to disconnect at this time.